colour to go on, so it looks cool with it.
TG, what are we doing? Fixing cars.
No.
So what is that, Tom?
So this is it's a rear control arm.
Yeah.
But it's a camber adjustable. I mean, the standard ones are very slightly camber adjustable. We've got a tiny bit of adjustability, but these have got loads of adjustability. So basically, only one side snapped.
You love working on cars, Tom, don't you?
Oh, I do.
Lies.
Look how many of these I've got. I've got boxes of them.
Why have you got all them?
I ordered 2 by accident of these. I said to mate, can I cancel? He's like, oh no, sorry, too late, we sent them out. She's like, just literally 3 seconds after I ordered them. And then these are the ones I bought the other day. And this is where I started it, and then I realised I went to put them on, and these are the ones that haven't got any locking nuts.
Oh yeah.
Like this. So like, it's just going to be bolted on the car, and you can just change the camber as and when it wanted itself.
Couldn't you just put a nut on this?
Yeah, but I couldn't get any nuts.
Oh, right.
I asked people to send them out. They said, oh, if you wait 2 to 3 weeks, we can send you some nuts from Hong Kong. I was like, cheers.
Yeah, Hong Kong nuts.
So I rang up the shop in Barnstable that sells nuts and bolts and said, have you got some M18 times 1.5 nuts? Left hand and anti-clockwise thread ones as well.
No.
Like, well, we can get them in, but you'll have to buy at least 100 at a time. I was like, alright, cheers, mate.
And you need 2.
I need two left, 2 right hand thread, 2 left hand thread.
Tom, is that race camber going on there?
That's how the boys run camber nowadays.
What, anti-camber?
Anti-camber. I really like the look of
That can get the stand in there, no?
It's not safe, is it, Dave?
Not really.
Really, not a little bit even.
Break my jack, innit? Oh. Well safe.
Adjustability, you can just adjust it as and when by hand. Be like that, anti-camber. Or just go like with the stance, boys.
Camber.
Do
it while you're driving, Tom.
Yeah, but it does, that's the problem. That's the problem. When you reversed it, the wheel literally came out for about here. Like this. It was like that full on Japanese style bad boy thing. And I was like, oh my god, your car looks well cool. I parked it out one time. Here's the old bar. So it hasn't actually, I mean these aren't original ones, these are already adjustable camber lower arms. But you can see there the thread's just pulled out, like just worn off and pulled out. Nothing's actually snapped, it's just pulled out the end. So basically, just have to undo this end here and undo that bolt there and swap it out. But that's how simple it is on that side. On this other side here, on the off side, is you undo that bolt, and swap it out. On this side, the drive shaft is in the way for that bolt. You have to loosen off the diff with this bolt here. Maybe these 2 front bolts, but I'm hoping you don't have to undo those 2 front bolts. You just got to undo this big one here, and you can move the diff out of the way enough that you can get that bolt out. Definitely not a 20. I just knew it was a 20. Not quite a 22 either though. Not that makes it. 21. Oh, that's alright. Go on there. It's a beauty. But probably won't. Right, can you see that nut there?
Yeah.
Is it spinning?
Go on. No.
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 Oh, beautiful. Right, it's spinning a little bit.
It is now.
Oh, right. Well, it wasn't before.
No.
That's alright, cool. His dad's got losers, so
Yeah.
probably won't. feel like chicken tonight. It's getting wet out there, isn't it?
It is getting wet.
Oh, that's like proper rain.
I'm getting wet.
It's actually threaded in the weird bolt.
Oh, so it's an opposite thread.
No, it's threaded in the diff as well, not just into the bit you screw it into, not into the nut.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it screws out. It's not like.
It ain't never coming out, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I mean like.
Oh right, falling out.
Never ever gonna fall out
Yeah.
by accident. That's a long ass thread.
And look, it's got like
Look at
thread.
the size of that thread. Why?
Imagine if that was stiff and it was like really hard to undo. Because that bit threads back into the diff, and then I don't know if that's just to help it get back through.
Oh, right.
And then the nut literally just goes on the end. It's weird that there's that much. There's not a big gap. I don't know. And just lift the whole car, does it?
Pretty much. Whoa, Tom, be careful about lifting the whole car.
Yeah, no, it did do it.
Yeah.
That's just with my fingers.
That's a bit. Bottle jacks are a beast.
Those are my fingers and no leverage. Still not quite fit out.
Oh, what? I don't know whether that's as far as it goes. What's it got to be like? Why do people engineer stuff like that?
Well, yeah. To be fair, beam are normally pretty good. So it's lame that they're just being lame on this occasion.
Yeah, I'll just whack that in it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh no.
Yeah, you were just well far away from the hole.
Yeah. I was just like putting it through too early and it was actually stopping it going in.
Sick.
So, the front of the diff. At the front of the diff. There's. Where is it? There. That bolt going in there. And the same on the other side. You've got to loosen. Don't need to undo them. Just need to loosen those two off. And then apparently the diff should move enough.
Left to right rather than up
Left
and
to
down.
right rather than up to down, yeah. To get that nut out. Four bolts out. The exhaust is in the way.
So, just a massive bracket for exhaust.
No, I don't know. It's a bracket for. I don't really know what it's a bracket for. Kinda seems like it does nothing.
To be in the way. The in the way bracket.
Literally kinda seems like it does nothing.
Oh, you got upgraded polybush for your back and rear exhaust now. Looks like an upgraded polybush.
It is.
Enter polybush just for that little bracket.
Well, I think I just had that bush. I didn't buy that.
I don't think it's even for that.
No, I don't think it's for it.
Better be well hard because that's a fucking polyed right in there.
It's not going to be that hard because.
It's not going to be that hard because it doesn't fit properly.
No, it's not going to be that hard because. We were driving to Ed and Megan's wedding. And we were like running a little bit late, and I'm going to be stood at the front with everyone. And like, so we're going to get there early. I was like, shit, we're a little bit late. And we're driving up there, fucking exhaust fell off on the top of the road there, didn't it? We're going scraping along the floor. I was like, shit. I've literally never done that before. And then I was in like full suit and that, do you know what I mean? Didn't want to go touching dirty shit, did I? I had to lean down on the floor and like try and hook that back up. Exhaust was roasting hot. I was in such a rush, I didn't even turn the engine off. Engine's still running, it's blowing exhaust fumes in my face, burning my hand. I'm like, shit, quick, get back on there. And we drove up there. And I was like, saying kind of, do I smell like exhaust or do I smell alright? only one more bolt to get off before I can just undo them other 2 bolts.
I don't want to jinx it. I don't believe it.
That's some tight ass shit though, isn't it?
So you can't do anything on a car without a hammer, can you?
Nah.
It's like the most, it's the most like Neanderthal tool you can possibly have.
Needed to like every nut.
Fixes everything.
Oh look, this bracket's literally falling off as we speak.
Sounds like we're almost there. Oh yeah.
Lovely little bracket. No, I'm well impressed how easily you can just do it with your hand, no leverage.
Oh, doing the car now. Try the bolt.
I've got to lever it over a bit as well or whatever.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one, isn't it?
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
All that just to do that. Well, completed mechanics now. We can go home.
Literally like a joke, isn't it though?
Completed engineering, BMW.
And that was only bolt 1, this is bolt 2 now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Bolt at each end.
You've only undone 2 bolts.
Well, only undone 1 that I wanted to. All the others was just to get that one undone.
They are fatties, aren't they?
Bum bums. Heard that you were out in bed. So these spaces as well. Custom.
Oh yeah, you made them out of
custom made
brake
disc. Well, good memory, Dave. So they're steel and they're flat. These ones don't break.
Looks pretty warped to me.
That's because you've got a wonky eye.
I have actually got a wonky eye. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jacking that up, stop it from moving around hopefully.
Jacking that up, just to preload it up.
It's got destroyed Mad Max wheels. Right, I've got another idea now.
Yeah, have you? Alright, that's fucking genius to be fair, Dave. Yeah.
That'll be fine, you're pulling towards it anyway.
Right, fucking genius.
I am the boy, and I
Oh,
am the boy.
that was actually wicked. Bad.
Right, if you need a mechanic, you should probably call Dave instead of anyone else in the world. That was the most bored thing I've ever seen in my life. Jacking a breaker bar.
Yes, mate. You know what this means though? All things are off and it's just putting shit back on, which obviously you know is going to work because the shit's already been off, isn't it? You know what I'm saying?
So that was the last bolt that you need to undo, and then it's just all screw back on.
That was the last bolt of the 2 that we needed to undo. I think it's bolt number 17.
I think we've been here 3 hours now. What part was that then?
What?
That one there you got in your hand, the original one.
Nah, it's not. It's an aftermarket one.
It's like a way better aftermarket one.
Probably, but it's a bit weird, isn't it? Look, obviously I put this on there, so it hasn't lasted that long. When I say that long, I don't know, 5 years. I'm swapping it for a part that looks way shitter. Oh yeah, what did I do in the end to get this in? Levered it, didn't I, with something? you reckon I've even got to do these bolts up tight or not?
I reckon hammer them tight.
Do you though?
If they were hammered loose, they'll hammer them tight.
I don't know if you're joking or not. But, well, because one, I was going to hammer them tight. So I wasn't sure if it needs it because they just rust up, don't they? Alright, that's beautiful.
Hello! Almost done, Tom, mate. Almost done. That's a pretty tricky little cable you've got on there on the brake rod as well. On the brake cable.
What, the pink one?
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Got them from.
Pretty trick.
I've got them from, there's this factory, you know, Hell Brakes.
Oh, yeah.
H-E-L-L, yeah. There's a factory, I don't know, not that far from here, maybe like an hour and a half away. And they make brake lines there, and you can just go there and be like, I want to brake this long, this end, this angle, and just wait there, and they make it and that on the factory line for you.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and they're like, what colour? I was like, pink. And I got 3 made, I got a spare 1 made.
How much was that?
Not even very much money.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll have to go.
Like cheaper than you could buy them somewhere else.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, banging.
Right, that's that one.
What torque was that, Tom? Ah, torque.
Like.
You need to hit the weights a bit more, I reckon.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
It's going to wait for you. In the fighter jet, doing a test drive.
Safety first.
How's it feel, Tom?
Feels like it drives.
Like
Wheels go round. Oh look, mate, he's waiting. Check out the rustmobile there.
Yeah, mate, his rustmobile on there.
Like, she looks nice today. First day in ages, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Nice.
Does that sound normal, Tom?
What?
Back end.
Oh, what? What?
Can you hear? So.
Yeah. You know what you can't hear, though?
Dump valves.
Nah. Is there any rattly exhaust?
I don't know.
Rattly before?
You tell me, mate.
Definitely can't. Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
You don't actually look at the wheel, like how it looks, did you?
This is completely anti-cambered. Should have probably checked that.
Right, so
So far so good though. It drives alright, yeah.
drives good.
That's the end of that video. DPTG TV. Revving it out.
Revving it out. Revving it out. What a cow.
Oh, hey, that is a stiff suspension.